Hello my dear viewers, this is Bushcraft Bear speaking to you live here from the Canary Islands, La Palma. I just arrived here on the top of the hill, and for me it's important, so when I arrive here on the top I just take my camera here and then I start filming immediately, so that that's how I do it. So you can see what's going on over here. The volcano is glowing in orange. It looks very huge today. Not much noise. Every day is different. So today I'm alone up here. The weather's a little bit different. And I have to tell you some things. So please give me a minute. I will drink some water and then we will start with the video. So let's have a look down into the valley to the beautiful city of Los Llanos. It's very quiet today over there. I can see some cars in the main road, and over there the red glowing volcano. And you can see the tip of the volcano. And with my binoculars I can see that there are flying big rocks or glowing stones outside of the volcano. It's very, very big. Here you can see the lava and the volcano. Alright, the volcano is getting a little bit louder sometimes, but not that noisy as last night. So what was going on today? Today nothing special, a lot of earthquakes. I spoke to some people today here, citizens of the island, and I can say that everybody here experiences this volcano eruption in a different way, in a very individual way. Everybody has another story to tell, and when I speak to people I ask them how they experienced the outbreak of the volcano. And it's very interesting what the people are saying. So the media is still, there are a lot of news from yesterday night, so they are still saying this is a very strong eruption, and last night was very explosive. They are writing about this earthquakes. The last earthquake was this afternoon, 3:30, and it was a 3.7 magnitude. Then this morning, very, very much earthquakes, a lot of earthquakes, and I just can look how it will go on in the future over here. It's still not over, and it does not look like that it will be over soon. Every day is different. So the volcano today looks very different. It's so big. I cannot say much today because today was a very special day. It was a little bit different, and it's very quiet now at the moment over here. Just the city and the volcano. And maybe today I let the volcano speak for itself, so I will zoom with the camera a little bit closer so that you can have a look by yourself. So nothing new over here except this very eruptive volcano, a lot of earthquakes. I don't know how it will go on over here. I mean, still here the people, like I say in every video, still everything is normal over here. You can see the cars driving down there in the city, and the volcano is over there. We have the lava stream. Still the lava stream did not change the direction. That's very, very good. And we will see what the future will bring. I just observing this, and I will show you in the videos what's going on over here live from the island, from an insider. Okay, so now I will zoom in to the volcano. I say thank you very much for your kind comments, for your prayers and for your support. I wish all the very best for the people, especially the people here on this island, and especially for the people that got affected from this volcano eruption over here. See you in the next video. Tomorrow afternoon I will be here. We will have a look what the volcano is doing and yeah, what's going on here. See ya. Goodbye.